preparing for the shift to more complex AI rating and data annotation. The AI industry is shifting, but you're not being pushed out. It's more like you're being pushed up. In our last video, we looked at two industry shifts that are underway. One, a shift towards more complex rating and data annotation, and two, an increasing need for specialists. If you missed that video, pause and watch it. Links in the description. In this video, we're focused on preparing for the shift to performing more complex tasks. The good news, in most cases, you don't need another degree or years of experience to prepare for handling more complex rating and data annotation. You can begin developing the skills companies want using the work you're already doing. If you understand where the industry is heading, you'll be prepared, not scared. And stick around until the end because I'll share one mindset shift that could make the biggest difference as this work becomes more complex. Master what you're already doing. Before you chase the most complex work, get excellent at the work in front of you. Review your project guidelines regularly. Study examples. Learn from your feedback. Look for patterns in the mistakes you make. Companies value workers who consistently produce accurate, reliable work. The better your quality today, the more likely you'll be considered for more advanced projects tomorrow. Slow down on the difficult or unusual cases instead of rushing through them. Notice the small details others might overlook. Accuracy and consistency are the foundation. Get that right first. Always follow your project instructions first. Master the fundamentals, and you'll be ready for what comes next. Start thinking and writing like an evaluator. Companies aren't just looking for people who can label data anymore. Increasingly, they're looking for people who can analyze information and explain the reasoning clearly. And that's why it's important to start thinking and writing like an evaluator. Whenever a task asks for a written explanation, and always following the instructions and guidelines you're given, treat it as an opportunity to demonstrate clear, organized reasoning. Here's a simple framework you can use to organize your thinking. RECIC. Requirement. What was the task asking for? Evidence. What specific facts or text support your assessment? Conclusion. Based on the evidence, what's your overall assessment? Impact. Why does this matter? Connection. How does your conclusion relate back to the task instructions or evaluation criteria when appropriate? Notice what this approach does. Instead of simply giving an answer, you're walking through why you reached that conclusion in a logical, evidence-based way. The goal isn't to write more, it's to write more clearly. Strong analytical writing is a valuable professional skill, and it's becoming increasingly important as AI rating and data annotation work continues to evolve. The mindset shift. And here's that mindset shift I promised at the top. Think like a teacher, not just a labeler. A labeler identifies answers. A teacher explains the answers. And explanations are what helps AI improve. That one shift, explaining your why, not just your what, is the habit most likely to help carry you into the next tier of this work. Looking ahead. As thinking like a teacher and improving your written responses becomes second nature, you may be in a stronger position for higher level roles. Titles and requirements vary from company to company, but they often include positions like AI Data Quality Analyst, reviews AI training data for accuracy and consistency, Model Evaluation Specialist, tests and evaluates how well AI models perform, RLHF Evaluator, that's reinforcement learning from human feedback, compares and rates AI responses to help improve future model performance. While every company is different, these kinds of roles often require more reasoning, more judgment, more responsibility, and stronger written communications, the same skills we discussed in steps 1 and 2. Before we wrap up, I'd love to know, are you seeing the shift from simple labeling to more complex tasks? Comment yes if you are, no if you are not. And if this is useful, subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We've got more of this series coming. The industry is changing. That doesn't mean that opportunity is disappearing. It means skills companies value are evolving. Start building those habits today, and you'll be ready for the next generation of AI rating and data annotation work. Next time, we'll look at another major trend. The growing shift for people with specialized knowledge, healthcare, finance, law, coding, and other professional fields, and how we can start preparing for that shift now. Until then, stay informed, stay curious, and remember, be prepared, not scared.